Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, November 12th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. Wow, we've had a lot going on this week on our calendar. We had one whole sandwich. The bear ate the sandwich. Then we had a whole sandwich that was cut into two equal parts, into halves. Then two dogs came and ate the sandwich. Yesterday, we found out we had another whole sandwich and it was cut into fourths, four equal parts. What do you think we'll see on today's calendar card? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Those mice are back again, and they came and ate the sandwich. Each one of them had 1/4 of the sandwich. Let's add that information to our calendar grid. We've had a lot going on with our calendar grid. So we had fourths. Four mice came and ate 1/4 of the sandwich. Each one of them had one out of the four parts. 1/4, one out of the four parts. Let's move on. We have more to do on our calendar for the day. It's time for us to look at our days in school. We made it to the 50th day of school yesterday. So today is going to be day 51. Day 51. What we are going to do then is change the information that we see on our chart. We now have 51 days in school, and now I'm going to add 51, the number word, 51. And we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. Now I can make it 50 plus 1 on here to make 51. We will change then our information that is here, and we'll make that number 50 plus 1. And then we are going to have to move this for a moment. I think I'll move all of these down to make sure we can get everything. Make it 51. And I'll move those down so that we can easily get to them. Very, very, very good. Now, dears, let's move on with our other activities. We're going to add another hour to our collection. We're going to add now another hour to our clock, which now will make it 10 o'clock on the analog clock. Do you see the big hand is on the 12 and the little hand is pointing towards the 10. We will then grab a digital clock that says 10 o'clock, and we'll even change the time on our clock and the number. So we'll put 10 o'clock here, and then we will have our little hand pointing towards the 10. There it is, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Very good, All-Stars. Very good. One of the last things we're going to do is actually go back to this chart. If you recall yesterday, we started talking about using the 10 frames and number trees to help us make those equations with doubles. Today, let's add on another double. We have 3 plus 3 here. So we'll get ready. What is 3 plus 3? If you said 6, fantastic. So we'll put 6 on top of that number tree. And then we are going to add the 2 parts. We have 3 parts on one side, and we have 3 parts on the other side. We are then going to write out a math equation. What do you think that equation will be, class? You said 3 plus 3 equals 6. You are correct. And then we are going to write our subtraction fact. We have the answer, which is 6. And we take away one of the parts of our double to leave the other part. So in this case, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Again, I like to show it to you in this big way so you get to see the 10 frame, the number tree, and the equations. Not just addition, but also the subtraction equations as well. The last thing I'd like you to do, my dears, is practice counting from the number 50 all the way to the number 70, 70. You may pull out your number chart, your hundreds chart from your independent work area to help you, but I really want you to practice counting. That is super important as a first grader. Have an amazing day.